supervising. Making sure it's just getting done, you know? Well, staying healthy.
I'm holding my phone. He isn't kidding, bro. Oh my god. How's it going, buddy? Good, how are you? Good to see you. Micah. Oh, man, Nathan. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Joey.
Micah,
nice to meet you, man.
Nathan, like, did you drive this down the road?
Yeah.
What? No.
Yeah, we drove it on the road, on the gravel, and a little bit on the snow, and then into the field, and then it got really turn. No. So yeah, take a look around. This is the pit bike suite. This is where we hang out. Clearly, we were just unloading groceries.
Dude, I wonder if the Tesla
Don't sleep
so
here.
bad.
You can. It's not that fast.
Yeah, but it looked fast. We cannot.
It is not.
I knew that. Alright, later, guys. Oh, see you. I would never get any work. You would just get a.
Like, actually notice them.
Yeah.
But also do something which I like.
What's up, guys? Glen here, back on the Function Powersports. You might be wondering, what are Wilson and I doing at the CboysTV shop? Well, we got something good for you. Wilson, what are we doing today?
Well, we've got a Polaris RZR that we're going to be throwing a bunch of goodies on because the Cboys need it to be a little bit less stock.
Less
we got a
lame.
whole bunch of stuff that we're going to be throwing on there.
We got a 2021 stock Polaris RZR Turbo S Forcing behind us. Obviously, the machine's badass. You can't go wrong with one. We already got wheels and tires hooked up on it, and DRT Motorsports came in clutch. So we're gonna be decking this thing out with all kinds of accessories, rough country with the light bars, a windshield, even a hitch, because KFI Products jumped in. We're like, hey, these guys need a winch because they get stuck all the time, right? So, I mean, Wilson, we can't leave them hanging out in the muddy fields on their own. We can't do that to our Minnesota boys.
No.
So, we're doing a full build with this. We're literally on a Monday building this whole thing from scratch, and we have to get it done today. Like, this is gonna be nuts.
Yeah,
so,
we got one day to do it. Lots of stuff to get done. So, I mean, realistically, we just need to jump into this thing and get started. So,
yeah, I mean, so let's talk and more action. Peace.
take a box.
See if you can slice this in half.
Fruit Ninja! Holy crap! Alright.
So we got a brand new hood going on this from DRT. We got a brand new grill. While we're waiting on the Cboys crew and Wilson to tear all the mesh out because they're gonna end up painting it red instead of that silver aluminum finish, we'll go ahead and start stripping this thing apart. Joey, we're sitting here struggling getting this front end off this 2021 Polaris RZR Turbo S 4. And now, hold on. Okay, now that Wilson's done making noise, you know, Polaris did a really good job of putting this front clip on. It's secure, it's never gonna fall off, but the star bit bolts behind this really suck to get undone.
Stuff it down, prime it, paint it, hopefully it doesn't chip. Because if it chips, it's on me.
That's how it's gonna get scuffed.
the ability to put this on. It's got 2 bolts that can go in. Those 2 are so far away.
What even lines up here? Just all the front end pieces?
Nothing.
Yeah, look up. Yeah, look up Polaris.
Says Pro XP Turbo 2 and 4-door models, but then does not fit the Turbo S. This is not how I want to start the wheel.